Okay, this is a BPA-free, plastic-free, plant-based material sandwich bag. So you're gonna keep your food super fresh. They're sealable. It's going to work just like a plastic sandwich bag. However, it is plastic-free. This is compostable within 180 days. It's natural, made of natural plant-based material. So if you are looking for something that is natural and want to stay away from plastics, you've probably heard how bad plastic material is for you. Check these out. These are going to keep your food super fresh, sealed in a container, with everything that a plastic bag would do without the plastic.